on Saturday, feeding the cats. We got a pretty good showing. Everybody's here. It's Jules. Oh, there's the other tortoisey. She usually don't come this close, so that's nice. Lone Wolf's actually here today, hungry as usual. He was the one in that starving cat video. Look how much he eats, how fast he eats it. So glad he's here. And we got everybody out there. So it's pretty good showing. Everybody's eating. If you ask me, everyone looks a little getting like they're getting a little fat. Look at Mama. She wasn't that big when she used to have babies. Of course, since she's fixed, she doesn't have babies no more. But even Orange Mama looks like she's putting on a little weight. We gotta watch him. He's becoming a troublemaker now. You see his neck? So it looks like everybody's doing good. Players over there, picture perfect. So I think all in all, pretty good feeding. See, everybody's nice when they're eating. Alright, we're gonna go and yeah, I need to give him some more because he's always, when he shows up, he eats a lot. Alright, just Saturday feeding the cats. Thanks for watching.